Now, kids, let's learn about good habits. I am brushing my teeth. It keeps them clean and healthy. I am washing my hands. Goodbye, germs. I am washing my face. It feels fresh and clean. I am drinking water. It keeps me strong and healthy. I am eating healthy food. It's yummy. I am combing my hair. I look neat and nice. I am cleaning my toys. I keep my room tidy. Thank you. I am reading a book. I learn new things. I am exercising. It keeps me strong and active. I am eating fruits. They are healthy and yummy. I am going to bed. Good night.